Hi everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Atomic Wallet on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Atomic Wallet using your iPhone, first make sure you've downloaded Atomic Wallet application. Once you have it, tap it on. The first interface of Atomic Wallet will look like this. If you've not created a wallet on Atomic Wallet yet, tap on Create New Wallet button in blue. But if you already have a wallet and you'd like to log into it, tap on Restore from Backup at the bottom. You'll need to type in the 12-word backup phrases that you backed up for your wallet. Simply go ahead and type it in the correct order in the text box. Once you type in your Atomic Wallet phrases, tap on the Restore button at the bottom. Set a new password for your wallet and then tap on Set. Confirm your password by typing it again and tap on Confirm at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds and your wallet will be restored. That is how you'll be able to log into Atomic Wallet using your iPhone, quick and easy. All you need to do is to go ahead and type in your 12-word phrases that you backed up in order to secure your wallet. That is how you'll be able to sign in to Atomic Wallet using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.